Hi everybody, welcome back to Storytime Soap Shop. This is Kim and today I am going to be making some cupcake soaps. Now I'm using the same blueberry jam fragrance oil that I got from Brambleberry that you saw in the last episode with the loaf. And I did notice some acceleration a little bit with that. So I did melt my oils and mix up my lye water yesterday so that it was nice and room temperature to get going with this today. So enough chatting, let's go make some soap. Okay, we are here to make our blueberry jam cupcakes for the Blueberry Fest. Now my lye water was about 10 degrees warmer than my oil, so I just stuck it in a cold container. That's kind of why you see the frost here, just to drop the temperature, and it's worked. So we are at 82 degrees with our oils and about 89 with our lye water, which is fine. It's close enough. I like to keep them at least, you know, under 10 degrees difference makes me happy. So just give this another quick stir. Okay, well, my camera died and you missed the beginning of me piping, but I'm gonna go refill my bag and we'll keep on going. Okay, round two. You know, when I first started making soap, I was really nervous. I had a good reason to try because I had the skin issues that I've had, and I needed to know if there was a better alternative than taking all these steroids that I was on all the time, because they couldn't figure out the itch. So, you know, let's prescribe drugs. And you know, we didn't have some of the problems in the old days that we have now with skin irritations and allergies. So I really wanted to try. And the first couple batches I made were horrendous. Just so ugly. Oh man. And my first batch wound up in the trash can because I didn't know if it was made right or safe. I had done so much reading, but I had so much doubt. I just got a pinhole on my back. Awesome. So the first batch, straight in the trash. The second batch, while not pretty, came out like it was supposed to. And, you know, but there was so much soap, I just gave it away as gifts. You know, I had a couple bars for myself, but I gave it away as gifts. And people liked it, and they started talking about how their skin felt amazing. Because people are used to, after a shower, itching like crazy. We should not be used to itching like there's something terribly wrong with us after just simply bathing. But that's what happens, you know, when some of these, like shower gels, have the same main ingredient as like a Dawn liquid dish soap. That's not good for your skin. And after about the fourth book that I read, I need new gloves. After about the fourth book that I read, I started having a little more confidence, and of course I did watch YouTube videos. I wanted to see other people do it because it sounded so complicated and scary. And I learned more about, you know, colorants, what's safe for the skin, what's not. And just because the FDA says something is safe doesn't mean it's safe. It might be safe, but doesn't mean it's good for you. Tip in. So that was a while ago now, obviously, and I've come a long way, but I still have failed batches. I still have stuff go wrong, and I don't know if it's just having so much going on, you know, running a business and whatever, but I'll fill my bag and I'll be right back. Alright, I got some air pockets in here, but hopefully I won't have a massive explosion here. So anyway, the better my soap looked, the more confidence I had, and I learned, you know, how to make it more moisturizing, which also helped. And it's nice to be able to do something like this and make something like this that's fun but also functioning. You know, I love making soap. I could do it all day, every day. Now, we do make other products, and I realize I should probably make some videos on the other products that we do make here at the shop. But soap is probably my favorite. So we make some lotions, creams, body butters, beard oils. What would you like to see us make? Let us know in the comments, and I'll make some videos on some other products. I mean, there's 1,000,001 bath bomb videos out there, and everybody does it different. I could do one on making bath bombs, but that'll be probably something I have to voice over. Let's see, what else do we make? Ooh, there's the air bubble I was worried about. We do make candles. I actually tell you a secret, I hate making candles. I hate dealing with the wax. But with the Bath and Body Store, it's just a natural accessory. So we make it. Okay, we have these cute little blueberries that we made. My daughter made some and I made some. And we did make a couple of different colors because, you know, blueberries aren't always just dark blue, if you've ever picked them. So we'll pop a few on here. And this is just melt and pour soap. Got a couple of big ones. One's dented. Oh no! I'm so tempted just to sprinkle these little blueberries on, but I know it's not going to look good, so we'll take our time. I'll continue putting these blueberries on, and we will be back tomorrow to unmold.